In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a very efficient, albeit a workaround, in copying a block from one page over to another page. So this is going to be a great benefit for those of you who have got multiple pages on your sites with the same content, and you're wanting to ideally use that particular template or that particular content as templates for other pages. This right now is going to be the most efficient workaround. So here we are on one of my dummy sites, Learn to Cook with Martin. I'm going to add a block. As you've already seen, I've already added a block down here, and I've added some content. I've added 4 headers just with some text boxes. Now what I want to do is I want to copy or clone this particular block to utilize on another page, any page. Okay, so here I am within this particular block. I'm going to open up this tab, and you'll see this particular icon here. It's like a coding icon. I'm going to press on that icon, and it's hidden behind the particular block. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this particular code, and I'm going to go over to the other page that I would like to add that particular block into. So here I am, I'm going to add a new block, and I'm going to add an empty block. So it's totally empty. I'm going to go back over to this icon here, where the code HTML code icon is. I'm going to remove the current code that's in there and paste the code that I'd like to utilize. So here I am, I'm on the secondary page, and I've managed to copy or clone or template the particular block from the other page. So right now it's the most efficient way for those of you who are wanting to utilize the same content within the same blocks. They need to be static blocks, they can't be dynamic blocks.